Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, we thank Allah, the Revealer of all truths, the Sender of all prophets, and the Creator of all things. We thank Him for Prophet Muhammad ibn Abdullah for receiving the revelation of the Holy Quran. And we thank Him for the eternal leader of the nation of Islam, the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad, of which I'm a student of his teachings. And as the New York representative of the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan and the Minister Muhammad Mosque No. 7, New York City, it's my honor on behalf of Minister Farrakhan and his wife, Mother Khadija Farrakhan, the Executive Council of the Nation of Islam, and all of the student officials of Mosque No. 7, New York City, to be here with his daughter, Sister Naomi, with the great Professor James Smalls, with our dear brother Ronald Muhammad, and with all of you. Dr. Yosef Ben Yakimin is still alive. He's not as mobile as he once was, but his spirit is still with him. He has an indomitable spirit, and he has the spirit that Allah has given him, and we thank him for the knowledge, the wisdom, the culture, the history of the past that has us in the present from him, and we owe a debt of gratitude to him, so we've come to give him flowers while he lives. I'm blessed to know him personally and interpersonally. Minister Farrakhan loves him, he loves the minister, he loves our people, we love him. And so we wish him well until Allah calls him home. Don't no one call him home prematurely.
Yes, sir.
It is Allah who takes men's and women's souls at the time of their death, and he has not taken it yet. So we are thankful that our brother is still above ground. And for all of us who are living, remember, every day above ground is indeed a blessed day. Another day to solve a problem, another day to receive a blessing. Thank you all. We greet you. This is your brother Abdul Hafiz Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum.